to show your ads only to people who already engage with your Facebook or Instagram page? In this video, I'll show you how to create a custom audience in Meta Ads Manager using page engagement from the last 365 days. First, log into your Meta Ads Manager. From the main dashboard, click the menu icon in the top left and go to Audiences. Now click Create Audience and select Custom Audience. From the list of data sources, choose Facebook Page. Select your Facebook page, and under Events, choose People who engaged with your page. This group includes anyone who liked, commented, shared, clicked your posts, or even messaged your page. Set the time duration to 365 days. This way, Meta tracks everyone who engaged over the past year. Name it Facebook Page Engagers, 365 days, and click Create Audience. Next, let's do the same for your Instagram account. Click Create Audience again. Select Instagram account and choose your connected business profile. Under Events, pick People who engaged with your professional account and set the duration to 365 days. Name it Instagram Engagers, 365 days, and click Create Audience. These engagement audiences are extremely valuable because they're made up of people who already know your brand and have interacted with your content. They're far more likely to respond to your ads compared to cold audiences. You can use these audiences for retargeting ads, like showing special offers or reminders to re-engage, building lookalike audiences, so Meta finds new people similar to your followers, or running awareness or reach campaigns to stay visible to your existing community. This strategy keeps your brand top of mind and increases conversions without wasting ad spend. Once your audiences are ready, you can use them in any campaign. Just select them in the ad set level when defining your target audience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with any Meta ads or digital marketing questions. I'll be happy to help.